It's Wednesday morning, and this is a look at the tornado that tore through parts of Pocahontas, Humboldt County last night. This was a tornado near Gilmore City, and you can definitely see the dirt from the farm field being sucked up, and unfortunately did lead to some damage of this farmstead as well. As you can see, that damage blowing around. The National Weather Service is going out today to do a storm survey. We do have some cold air moving into the state, a brisk northwest wind once again, but the winds will be even stronger tomorrow. And yes, it is looking chilly this weekend with another rain snow mix on Easter Sunday. Right now, it is starting to get colder. We're at 40 degrees. We were at 60 after midnight. It feels like 30. As you can see, those winds are still noticeable out of the northwest at 30 and at 20, gusting close to 30 miles per hour. The winds were an issue last night as well. Meteorologist Megan Salois is in this morning to recap the severe storms that moved through.
Yes, we're taking a look back at leading up from our forecast to what played out. We had yesterday morning, the Storm Prediction Center upgraded the northwest corner of Iowa to a moderate risk, which is just under that high risk category. And so that was the area we were really focused on for the tornado potential as we headed into the afternoon and evening. You can see all of these icons from Nebraska, South Dakota, across northwest Iowa, north central Iowa, and into Minnesota. Tornado reports, numerous hail reports of large hail, even some greater than 2.5 inches, as well as wind reports, wind damage reports. And so really those tornado reports we focused on quite a bit, especially after 6 o'clock, right around the Gilmore City area. You can see 3 icons there for sightings of a tornado, as well as one off just north of Thor and Highway 3. And again, this was because of a supercell that had formed in Carroll County late afternoon. It moved up into the Pocahontas Humboldt area and then started producing that tornado that you just saw the video of just a moment ago. Here is a still shot from Levi, shared this with us yesterday afternoon from that tornado near Gilmore City, a nice cone shape to it, picking up all that dirt in the field. Josh Bulls just shared this photo with us of some of the hail near Gilmore City as well. Looks like he's holding a handful of golf balls there. And then we also had a lot of damage in mainly farmstead areas, so no towns or neighborhoods were hit, but this barn here, you can see some of the siding is ripped off. Now, besides the storms, what you may have noticed in the metro and in Ames is the strong winds we had. We had an intense south wind ahead of these storms, and it even gusted over 50 miles per hour in Lamoni as well as in Ames. We did have a 75-mile-per-hour wind gust out of Carroll, but that was associated with a severe thunderstorm. And Jerry-Ann, we're not done with the winds yet. It's going to continue.
Look breezy at times today, and right now we have a noticeable northwest wind, and you can see our strongest wind gusts are in northwest Iowa, right around Algona, Webster City. Now the winds will continue to be a factor throughout the day today. We'll get a brief break tonight, and then the winds really kick back up tomorrow afternoon. We'll see some 50-mile-per-hour wind gusts along the northern border of the state at 3 o'clock on Thursday. It doesn't look as windy, thankfully, on Friday. Now, estimated rainfall totals, we had around 1/4 to 1/2 inch around the city of Des Moines, some inch amounts around Ames, and some inch plus. A couple of inches fell in far northern Iowa with some of those stronger storms. Now the storms have moved out. Again, we have no watches or warnings in effect, but we do have a light wintry mix moving in from the west with some more cold air. That light mix is close to Carroll. Some light rain still falling around the Fort Dodge community. It's going to be cold, windy, wet at times today. Look at North Dakota, Bismarck, still dealing with that blizzard warning that is in effect throughout the day today. The strong to severe thunderstorms will be moving to the east and unfortunately impacting more communities to the south and east. We'll see a little light mix around 11 o'clock, and throughout the afternoon it does look dry with decreasing clouds tonight, but temperatures will be falling fast. Throughout the day tomorrow you'll get to see some misleading sunshine, and on Friday it looks completely dry. Even most of your weekend will be dry, at least on Saturday. I am seeing changing weather conditions on Easter Sunday. Again, another rain snow mix moves in from the west, and that will be through by early on Monday. So we have some more cold air to get through. Still 50s in parts of eastern Iowa, Oskaloosa. Right now at 54 degrees, but 34 around Carroll. A cold front moved through. We'll all feel it today with highs struggling to get back into the 40s. Now tomorrow we will experience some 50s along the southern border of the state, but definitely below average for this time of the year. 44 this afternoon, mostly cloudy with that light rain snow mix continuing to swirl in yet this morning. And then tonight, Dry, partly cloudy, and a low of 29. Tomorrow afternoon will be windy with a high of 50. On Friday, 52. We'll start off the weekend with a high of 50 degrees on Saturday. On Sunday, we'll struggle to get out of the 40s with that light rain snow mix by the end of the day. Most of Sunday or Monday looks cloudy with the high of 46. And by Tuesday, we should be back around 52 degrees. Today's weather rating is as low as it goes with the unpleasant weather conditions. And it's even a little more harsh today just because we were in the 80s late yesterday.